welcome you in this operating system series videos. In this video, you learn round robin scheduling algorithm. You can search round robin scheduling algorithm. You have the text result. A fixed time is allocated to each process called quantum for execution. Once a process is executed for a given period, that process is preempted and other process execute for given time period. In real-time example, you can see the picture. The suppliers serve food to those who sit in the dining hall. The same thing, the operating system execute all process particular time period in the rotation based. In that time period is called quantum. Now you understand the concept. Okay. In other words, simply tell the round robin scheduling algorithm within 4 points. Point number 1, round robin is preempted process scheduling algorithm. Point number 2, each process is provided a fixed time of execute. It is called a quantum. Point number 3, once a process is executed for a given time period, it is preempted and other process execute for a given time period. Point number 4, context switching is used to save states of preempted process. Here point number 1 tell us this scheduling algorithm under which category, and point number 2 tell us what is quantum. The point number 3 tell us how the scheduling algorithm works. The fourth point tell us preempted process exact state, how will maintained. In this concept we will discuss later videos. Okay. Now we discuss the sum. That means how to find out the average waiting time and average turnaround time in round robin scheduling algorithm. Consider the table. Now you can see there are 4 processes, P0, P1, P2 and P3. Then its corresponding arrival time is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then it execute time or burst time is 5, 3, 8 and 6 and quantum time duration. Now the question is find the average waiting time, average turnaround time. In this example, consider the numbers as seconds and quantum duration time is 3 seconds per quantum. Okay. Now draw the Gantt chart. You can see the picture. I will explain how it come. In 0 second we have only one process, that is P0. So operating system decided to execute the process in round robin scheduling algorithm. For the quantum of time, in our example the quantum duration is 3 seconds. So operating system preempted the currently executing process, that is P0, and allocate available process in the next quantum of time and so on. In our example, the process P0 again executed in 12th second, but it need only 2 seconds. So it preempted at 14th second. Now you can understand how the Gantt chart is derived. Okay. Now you can see the table. It have 6 columns. In previous table only have 3 columns. Now I will explain the remaining columns. How it derived the 4th column. The 4th column derived from the Gantt chart. Then the 5th and 6th column derived from the formula. Now you can see turnaround time equal to completion time minus arrival time. Waiting time equal to turnaround time minus execution time. Then we can calculate average waiting time and average turnaround time. The result of average waiting time, sum of all the processes waiting time divided by number of processes, that is 34 divided by 4. The result is 8.50. Then average turnaround time, sum of all the processes turnaround time divided by number of processes, that is 56 divided by 4. The result is 14. I hope now you can understand the concept of round robin scheduling algorithm. Thank you.